This is Robert with Pioneer Smokehouses, and this is a little tip video for you. How do you get smoky flavor in your steaks? Well, throw them in your electric smoker real quick before you grill them. Now, I prefer my steaks grilled over smoked, but I love the smoky taste. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this on the highest heat I can go and get some strong wood chips. Today I'm using hickory. Load that up with a little bit of wood chips and get it going, and then go ahead and just slide your steaks in there. Of course, I have them on a grill mat. Woo, look at that smoke go. This is the one time where I will put my food up on the very top shelf in the Masterbuilt smoker or even the Big Chief smoker, and that way it can get a maximum amount of smoke. But do make sure that your vent is open at least 50%, because you want it to flow through cleanly so that way you don't get a bitter smoke taste on your steak. Now these are going to turn out just great, and all I did to them was, first, I went ahead and put a little bit of olive oil spray on both sides, and then I put a beef flavored rub on both sides and patted it in. Then I just went ahead and loaded it in there. When this is done, which is going to be about 30 minutes, then I'll go ahead and throw it on the grill and get it to the temperature that I like, which would be about 135 for me. Then we'll come back in 1 second for you, but about an hour for me, and show you what the steak looks like. So it's been slightly over a half an hour, about 35 minutes roughly. And I popped my head in here and I took a picture, and I'm gonna pop that picture up right there while I go ahead and pull these out. And I gotta say that they look exactly the way I want them to look. Now you can see that picture up there, but I'm also going to bring these up and I'm going to hold on to this grill mat real careful, because this grill mat likes to slide. Boy, that looks good. All right, so give me a second. I'm going to go take these over to the propane grill and char them up real quick, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pop up one more picture from the grill. So I did the one side there, and I should have done both, but here is what we got after it came off the grill. And I'm going to flip that over and look at that. No dark grill marks, a little charring around the edges, but because it's smoked, the edge kind of sets up a little bit, so getting a grill mark is a little harder. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut in. First, I want to show you that we got the steak cooked exactly the way we wanted it. It's just a little pink there. It's not raw. Outside edges have that wonderful kiss of smoke, and this is the War Pig seasoning that I used on one of my previous cooks, but I plan on cooking again with it because it's made for specifically brisket, and I'm probably going to use it on a chuck roast, but boy, that is tasty. So that's my tip for you. Put your steaks in an electric smoker for 30 to 40 minutes and hit them hard with a strong wood, and then toss them on the grill, char them off on each side, and you will be great. Do remember to use a thermometer probe so that way you can make sure that your steaks are at the perfect temperature. I use the ThermoPro instant read probe, but there's other things out there. That one just happens to be real budget friendly and really good use. Check the prices below. Even if you don't buy it, that helps me out. So thank you for for watching. Have a great day.